Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can automate scraping any platform in Claude Code. Now, to do this in Claude Code, we are going to use new skill that I've just created for this video, which is Apify Skill Builder. Now, in case if you don't know what is Claude Skills, then understand Claude Skills as a set of instructions that is given to Claude to give the best output that we want. Now, what we are doing in this skill is we are just taking all the scrapers from Apify, then filter them out according to our use case, and then convert them into skills so we can later use them as much as we want. So, for instance, I need to scrape YouTube, and if we go as a traditional way in YouTube, then I have to first go to Apify, then go to scrapers, and then search YouTube there. And there, then I will find thousands of YouTube scrapers. Those I don't know which one to use. So it is not eliminating only the process of finding an scraper or using it. It is automating the whole scenario by converting the whole scraper into a skill which you can reuse anytime just by is a slash command. So let me show you how. So first I will mention my skill builder, which is Apify skill builder, and let's say I say generate a YouTube channel. Let's say I have to analyze channel, generate a YouTube channel skill that can analyze any YouTube channel and compare it with its competitors, and we are good to go. Now, as you can see, the skill just have find three YouTube scrapers and asking us to check one of them and use it as skill. It is giving us three options in which it is also mentioning their rating, their pricing, and their runs and their details. And if we are more curious, we can directly go to click on this link and go to Epify website. But here is the whole play in front of us. So first thing is, let I say I will choose option 3 because it have more reviews. I will just reply with 3, and now it will convert the whole scraper into a skill which I can use anytime at any folder of my Claude Code. I just have to mention the skill, and rest of the part is done by it. So let's see how good skill it can create for us on YouTube channel. So as you can see, our Cloud Code just generated our new YouTube channel analyzer skill. It can scrape any YouTube channel using fast YouTube channel scraper, compare channels side by side across subscriber views, engagement, upload frequency, and all this stuff. Now it's time to test it. So for testing, I will use my channel by default. Uh, so I would say, can you come? Can you analyze youtube.com/the prepare my tech and just hit enter, and let's see what this skill can do for us. I will analyze the prepare my tech for you. Any competitor channel? No. Do this solo analysis. Do this solo analysis. I want last 20 videos. Yes. So now it will scrape my last 20 videos and analyze them Okay, so it started. So let it complete. So as you can see, Claude Code just analyzed my whole channel and the last 20 videos of it. As you can see here, it even created a markdown file by itself. Let's check it out. Yeah. So it gives the whole channel overview and last 20 videos, perfect summary and all the thing. It just compiled it for me, and as you can see it is giving the real data. Prepare my tech Krishna Agarwal AI automation. So yeah, it is 100% reliable. So this is just the tip of the iceberg. It perfectly scrape the YouTube, and you can do it with any website because Apify have almost all scrapers, and it means same that all scraper is now work as skills for you with this Apify skill. Now if you want to this exact same skill with the installation guide, then just come over to my school community and go to classrooms and then go to skills, and here you will find all the skills that are being used in this video, and currently it is totally free, so you can go there and grab all the skills that I have mentioned. Now if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up.